In today's video, we are going to make chicken burger. Come on in. Come. Seasoned chips, chicken seasoned, chicken breast, well tenderized and seasoned, some eggs, tomatoes for the burger, some onion rings for the burger, and of course brioche buns, and some lettuce. Getting ready. This is on the onions with some pepper. Making it simple. Pepper and salt. The burgers are nicely done, as you can see. I bet you love it. Now it's time to do the onions. Some little butter. I want it to soak up the juices properly. The onions are nicely caramelized. All the juices are infused in there. Now it's time to build the burger. Ultimate burger sauce. Zoom in. Then we lay the chicken. Go in with the lettuce. Some salt to taste. Caramelized onions. And the burger sauce. And there you have it. Wow, nicely done. Chicken burger.